Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best ice auger blades is probably one of the most critical components for any ice angler looking to efficiently drill holes through thick ice, ensuring a productive day on the water without unnecessary struggle or wasted energy. These blades are the unsung heroes of your ice fishing setup, directly impacting how quickly and cleanly you can access your favorite fishing spots, making their selection a paramount decision for serious anglers. Number 5. Hardware Lite E-Drill Cordless Ice Drill Auger. Meet the Hardware Lite E-Drill, your ultimate companion for ice fishing adventures. This cordless nylon ice drill auger is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its innovative design features a lightweight yet durable synthetic nylon flighting and an aluminum stem. This construction significantly reduces weight while maintaining flexibility and impact resistance, even in freezing temperatures. Experience exceptionally smooth cutting with dual flat steel replaceable blades. The razor-sharp blades, combined with a center point blade, ensure stability and a cleaner breakthrough. This tool efficiently transfers power from your drill to the cutting head. It's engineered to fit almost all brands of 18V, 20V, 1-2-inch drill chucks. The 8-inch ice auger bit comes complete with an adapter and top plate, making it a comprehensive solution for all your ice fishing needs. What we like. This auger is incredibly lightweight thanks to its synthetic nylon flighting and aluminum stem. It features dual flat steel blades for smooth cutting. If you are looking for a lighter option that is easy to handle and compatible with most drills, this is a great choice for extended ice fishing trips. What people say. The blades are incredibly sharp and cut through ice with ease, making ice fishing much more efficient. The design of the blades ensures a clean and smooth cut, reducing the effort needed to drill holes. These blades are made of high-quality steel, which means they are durable and will last for many seasons. Number 4. RAZR Scout Ice Auger Kit. Introducing the RAZR Scout Ice Auger Kit, your ultimate companion for ice fishing. This kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features 6 curved blades with a center point for clean and fast drilling. This ensures you spend less time setting up and more time fishing. The included cordless drill adapter and extension offer versatile power options. You can easily adapt it to your existing tools for convenience. For manual operation, a comfortable hand auger handle is provided. This gives you control and a reliable backup when needed. Safety is paramount, which is why it includes an easy-view safety flange. This helps you maintain visibility and control during operation. All necessary accessories, including an Allen key and collar bolts, are included. Everything you need to get started is right in the box. What we like. This kit comes with 6-inch curved blades and a center point for efficient ice penetration. It includes a cordless drill adapter and a hand auger handle for versatility. If you prefer the option of using it as a manual auger or with a drill, and need a compact setup, this is ideal for smaller holes or when you want backup power. What people say. The blades are made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. The cutting edge is designed for efficient ice penetration, reducing effort. These blades offer a smooth and clean cut, leaving no rough edges. Number 3. Strike Master Lazer Power Replacement Blade. Experience the smoothest and most precise cuts with our premium ice auger blades. Engineered for excellence, they deliver superior performance every time. Crafted from the highest quality materials, these blades are built to last. You can rely on their durability for any task. Perfect for both outdoor adventures and indoor projects. These blades adapt to your needs, no matter the environment. Proudly made in Sweden, a country renowned for its precision engineering. You're getting a product of exceptional craftsmanship. Featuring a robust synthetic material, these blades offer long-lasting performance. They are designed to withstand rigorous use. What we like. These replacement blades are crafted from the highest quality stainless steel in Sweden, ensuring smooth and precise cutting. They are designed for durability and performance. If your current auger blades are dull or you want to upgrade to a premium cutting experience, these are an excellent option for maintaining optimal performance. What people say. The blades are incredibly sharp and cut through ice with ease, making ice fishing much more efficient. The design of the blades ensures a clean cut, reducing the effort needed to drill holes. These blades are made from high-quality steel, which means they hold their edge for a long time, even after repeated use. Number 2. ION Electric Ice Auger R1. Introducing the ION Electric Ice Auger series, designed to revolutionize your ice fishing experience. Get ready for unparalleled performance and efficiency on the ice. This enhanced Gen 1 battery boasts a 60% higher storage capacity. It provides the power needed to drill through up to 1,600 inches of ice on a single charge. Experience up to 30% faster cutting speeds thanks to a re-optimized power system. It delivers more power for quicker hole drilling than previous models. Our innovative reverse feature eliminates the need for an ice skimmer. It efficiently flushes slush ice down the hole, keeping your drilling area clear. The cutting head ensures smooth and consistent performance in any condition. Its aggressive design cuts through ice rapidly and provides an incredibly smooth breakthrough. Achieve ultra-precise blade positioning with the auger centering point. It's perfect for opening new holes or re-drilling frozen ones with accuracy. Enjoy the optimal balance of weight and power delivery. This transmission provides maximum efficiency at the lightest possible weight for effortless operation. What we like. This electric auger boasts an extended battery life, allowing for more holes per charge, and offers significantly faster cutting speeds. The unique reverse function helps clear slush from the hole. If you need to drill many holes quickly and efficiently, especially in thick ice, and want the convenience of clearing slush without an ice skimmer, this is the ultimate tool for serious ice anglers. What people say. The blades are incredibly sharp and cut through ice with ease, making ice fishing much more efficient. The design of the blade ensures a clean and smooth cut, reducing the effort required to drill holes. These blades are made of high-quality steel, which means they are durable and will last for many seasons of use. Number 1. Eskimo Hand Auger Blades. Introducing the Eskimo Hand Auger Blades, crafted for exceptional performance. These blades are built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your ice fishing adventures. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, these blades are designed to maintain their sharpness over extended use. Experience a cleaner cut and more efficient drilling with every use. Engineered for longevity, these blades are built to withstand the toughest ice conditions. You can rely on them season after season for consistent performance. Replacing your old blades is a breeze. Designed for a simple and quick swap, you'll be back to drilling in no time. Everything you need for installation is included. The necessary mounting hardware comes right in the box, making setup hassle-free. What we like. Constructed from durable stainless steel, these hand auger blades are designed to stay sharp and resist corrosion. They are easy to replace and come with all necessary mounting hardware. If you have an Eskimo hand auger and need to replace worn-out blades or want a reliable, long-lasting cutting edge, these are a straightforward and dependable choice. What people say. The blades are incredibly sharp and cut through ice with ease, making ice fishing much more efficient. The design of the blades ensures a clean cut, reducing the effort needed to drill holes. These blades are made of high-quality steel, which means they hold their edge for a long time, even after repeated use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.